Hello friends, how are you all? Today I show you how to create a 12 volt soldering iron ECD. I bought these two soldering irons uh, within 6 months. When you use 3 months, it will go. It will now not working. These two soldering irons are now not working. In Sri Lankan price 1,400. We'll go to buy this. So I had to spend so much of money to buy this. Because of that, what I did, I had this heat gun. There will be this soldering iron. This soldering iron will come this. Yeah, this soldering iron come with this. We can connect like this. We can connect it. The problem is when we use this soldering iron with this, very soon this will damage. Very soon the heat gun will be damaged. That's why I remove this from this and I cut this. Yeah, I cut this from here. Right? Okay. I separate this soldering. I separate this one and I cut the wire. And there will be 4 wires. Yeah, there will be 4 wires. Red, green, white, and blue. What I did, I first found which 2 wires goes to here. When we use the multimeter, you can find this. When we touch these 2 with this, the buzzer sound will come. Right? The buzzer sound will come. When you touch this 2 wire, you can find which 2 wires goes to here. Then the buzzer sound will come. I found those 2 wires. The green, the one wire is green and another wire is blue. These 2 wires goes to here. Right? The other wires don't need. We can cut other wires. The white, red, we don't need. We can cut that. Right? Then after that, what I did, I take this type of GC jack, and when you take a wire, I take this type of wire, right? Okay, don't take this type of wire. This will mint. Okay, when the soldering iron will heat, this wire will be mint. So that please take this type of wire, right? Okay, then but this. I connect this DC jack with this wire and I connect this wire with blue and with the green, right? Okay, that's all. Then after that we can connect this soldering iron with this battery also. With the battery, how? First let's make this type of connectors. These 2, I bought these 2 terminal and connect the wire and connect these 2 type of DC jacks. Then easily you can connect with the battery. Connect this one and connect this one also, right? Okay. Then after that you easily can connect this soldering iron with this. Okay, right? Here is a jack. Right? You can connect here, right? Right here, I connect this. Now it's heating. Now this soldering iron is heating, right? I show you. Here now it will minting here. You can see within 3 minutes it will heat. It will minting. Now I soldering. I show you here. Here you can see same like this. Here same like this. It will heat. Here we can solder easily. We can solder. There's no any power. There's no cost any AC power. Only with DC battery. At anywhere we can bring this the battery and this soldering also easily. We can okay. It will mint well, right? Okay, it will mint well, and we can connect this soldering iron with this power adapter also. Here, this is come from AC 12 volt 12 volt. I plug same like that. I connect these two DC jacks to charge my LED night lamp, which I created. You can I put the link how to create this night lamp. You can watch this night lamp. And I now I am charging this my night lamp. When I remove this one, I can connect this soldering iron with this also, right? Okay, now I can work this also right here. I connect to this my night lamp also. I can work with this also, right? It will heat, right? So we don't need to more money to spend to buy like this soldering iron. This is not warranty also. Easily we can make like this, right? If you have any doubts, please comment. I will explain. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.